This is the East Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Wednesday, November the 20th. Key points to go through is that we expect isolated light snow showers across most of East Idaho, with gradually warming temperatures across the entire region. We are looking for some heavy snowfall amounts above 8,000 feet across portions of the Central Mountains, and that will continue through Friday. Looking at our satellite image today, we have a pretty strong plume of moisture that's entering California, and that'll be starting to move up into the Central Mountains this morning and continue through that area through the region through Friday. We will see a little bit of hit and miss showers from this later today and then tonight and also on Thursday. But we're not looking for a whole lot of snowfall amounts down in the valleys. Just a little bit too warm for most of us. But places in the Wood River region, Stanley Basin, they'll still see anywhere between 2 to 8 inches through Friday. And then up above, in the mountains above Ketchum and Stanley, they could see 1 to 2 feet of snow out of this. But little, if any, across most of central and south central and east Idaho. So looking at our weather risk outlook, calling for minor impacts across the Wood River and Sawtooth areas. Today and tomorrow, we do think the snow will lift a little bit on Friday and then return again across a good chunk of the region for Saturday. Once again, minor impacts there Saturday. And then Sunday could be an interesting day as a low pressure system works through northern Utah and southern Idaho. Could have widespread snow across the area. Right now, the amounts look pretty light, generally in the 1 to 4 inch range, 4 inches being on the higher terrain. But it's something to definitely watch for. So looking at our high temperatures today, generally calling for temperatures getting into the mid-30s up into the low to mid-40s across portions of the region. Precip chances today, best across the Wood River and Sawtooth areas today, and really isolated chances just about everywhere else. Snow amounts, once again, mainly contained to the Galena Summit area. That's where the main impact will be over the next couple of the days. Looking at our low temperatures as we go into Thursday morning, most areas will be once again below freezing for Thursday morning. Precip chances will increase across the region tonight as the next round of strong moisture moves into the region, and you start seeing chances inching up just a little bit. Amounts will still, once again, look pretty light in the valleys, the alone exception being up in the Wood River, Stanley Basin areas. A couple of inches possible up there, 4 to 6 up on Galena Summit. For high temperatures Thursday, warmer yet, much of the region getting into the 40s to near 50, except for up in the Island Park, Rexburg regions, and then across the Central Mountains, generally up around 40 there. Precip chances increase as that big, strong push of moisture moves into the region. So through a lot of the lower valleys, your precip is going to be more of in terms of rain or rain-snow mix. And even at that, it's not going to be a lot of moisture coming out of this down across south central and east Idaho. Really only a couple hundreds of QPF out of this, rainfall equivalent out of this. Snowfall will be best once again up in the Central Mountains. 6 to 8 inches on Galena Summit, but you notice the warm temperatures working in there. 1 to 2 inches only in Ketchum, less than an inch in Stanley. Both areas for Wednesday through Thursday could see up towards an inch of rainfall out of this. So that's a lot of moisture coming in there. It's just very warm temperatures. Elsewhere, you see a lot of inch or less snowfalls. That's really just a skip of snow for most areas. Up around Island Park, Ashton Hill, you might see closer to an inch, but it shouldn't really be a whole lot. So just to summarize, we're looking for isolated light snow showers across most of the region for the next couple days with gradually warmer temperatures. But heavy snows are definitely likely above 8,000 feet across the Wood River and Stanley areas, and that'll continue through Friday. So that wraps up this morning's briefing. If you have any questions, comments, please let us know. Thank you.